Hello, dear friends. You are most welcome on the digital portal of the Brilliant Point. Hi, I am S.M. Jha, your friend, your benefactor, and your instructor. Dear friends, before we proceed, I'd like to tell you something about the Brilliant Point. You must be elated to know that the Brilliant Point was established on 5th May 1999. The main purpose of the establishment of the Brilliant Point was to pave the way for success to those students who are not getting success only due to the lacking of English knowledge. In 1999, it was established, and thereafter Brilliant Point proved a milestone in the field of competitive English. Thousands of the students got success, and now they are doing jobs in different spheres of competitive sector. Dear students, in 2002, the Brilliant Point thought to enlarge its capacity, and for that it started publishing a very popular magazine, the Master English. And you must be happy to know that the circulation of the Master English was in 7 states of this country. Students and elders also started getting advantage of the Brilliant Point's endeavor, the Master English, sitting in their homes. This magazine became too much popular, and it continued till 2008. Later, in 2002, when BSRB postponed sine die, Brilliant Point started a new venture that was spoken English. And since 2002 till 2010, it continued paving the ways of the students in the field of spoken English. Thousands of students learned spoken English by joining the Brilliant Point, and some of them also learned through the Master English magazine. But after the establishment of the Central Public School in 2010, I could not give time either for the Brilliant Point or for the Master English magazine. That's why the students started suffering from getting the perfect knowledge of English in Purnia region. Under the compulsion of those students, I had to start a digital portal for teaching the students, for teaching the aspirants who wants to learn spoken English in proper way. Hence, the Brilliant Point started its new venture with the name of the Brilliant Point YouTube classes. And on this digital platform, you will get the complete knowledge of English, not only spoken English, but the complete knowledge of English. And you must be very much capable in speaking English fluently, with proper grammar, with the proper uses of punctuation, with the proper uses of tense, and also you must have profound knowledge. You must be given profound knowledge in the field of etymology, orthography, semantics, prosody, basic grammar, and etc. In only 90 classes, you feel very much perfect in yourself in speaking English sitting in your home. Hence, you have to be conscious, and you have to subscribe the Brilliant Point YouTube channel so that you can get the connected videos one by one, and in 90 videos you must be very much perfect in speaking English with correct pronunciation, with accent, with rhythm, and also with fluency. You have to give only a little bit heed, that is attention, to subscribe the channel and keep waiting. You will be provided every Monday, Wednesday and Friday a fresh video on the Brilliant Point channel. I hope you must get advantage of this and must be perfect in speaking English within very short span of time. Thank you very much.